Good morning, students. So let's continue with the chapter, that is dissolution of partnership firm. Following was the balance sheet of DGT as on 29/2/2016. They have given us liabilities and assets. The firm was dissolved on the above date. Debtors realized 28,000. Creditors and bills payable were paid at 10% discount. So these are the assets and liabilities realized. Stock taken over by T. Asset taken over by the partner. And furniture was sold to N for 12,000. Sale of furniture. Land and building was sold for 2,80,000. As loan was paid by check for the same amount. There was unrecorded asset of 1,50,000 which was sold for 1 lakh. Compensation to the workmen paid by the firm amounted to 20,000. So in the liability side, the workman compensation reserve was 26,000, but compensation to workmen was paid by the firm only 20,000. So in such case, what is the journal entry for workman compensation reserve? It is workman compensation reserve account debited to realization account to D's capital account to G's capital account and to T's capital account. Workman compensation reserve is of 26,000. Realization is how much? Only 20,000. So, and the remaining 6,000 will be divided among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. That is 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. And next entry we have payment of compensation. So the entry is realization account debited to bank account 20,000, 20,000. This is the same that we did in case of revaluation account. Clear? So first we need to prepare the realization account. We have particulars, amount, particulars and amount, debit side, credit side. The first step is transfer all the assets from the balance sheet. We have two debtors 30,000, to stock 20,000, to furniture 15,000, to land and building 2,45,000. Then transfer all the liabilities. So by creditors 50,000, by bills payable 10,000, by R's loan account. R is not a partner, third party loan has to be returned as a liability 12,000. Then by workman compensation reserve account, only what is given in the adjustment 20,000 will be returned. Next step is all the assets realized. What is the entry? Bank account debited to realization account. So by bank account assets realized, under that we have debtors 28,000, furniture 12,000. Why? Because it is sold to N. Land and building 2,80,000. So it is 3,20,000. Next we have two liabilities realized to bank account. Creditors is 10% less. So 50,000 minus 5,000, 45,000. Bills payable 10,000 minus 1,000, 9,000. R's loan was paid by check for same amount. So which means it is paid off. R's loan 12,000, 66,000. Next entry we have assets taken over by the partner. That is partner's capital account, who has taken the asset by T's capital account, in bracket stock taken over 15,000. And then we have entry of unrecorded asset, bank account to realization account, unrecorded asset 1 lakh rupees. Why 1 lakh? Because there was unrecorded asset of 1,50,000, but we sold it. We sold it for 1 lakh rupees. And then on the debit side we'll have two bank account, in bracket workman compensation paid off. How much is it? 20,000. Last we need to total our realization account. Credit side total is more, that is 5,27,000. 5,27,000. So two partners capital account in bracket profit transferred. What is the balancing figure? 5,27,000 minus 66,000, 20,000, 30,000, 20,000, 15,000, 2,45,000. Balancing figure is 1,31,000. We have DGT's capital account. It is equally, so 43,667, 43,667, 43,667. Next we need to prepare the loan account of a partner. We have only one, that is G's loan account. Particulars amount, particulars amount. First step is to bring down the balance. By balance brought down 8,000. So this we need to transfer it to bank account 8,000. Next we'll be preparing partners capital account DGT, DG and T. We have debit side, credit side, particulars DGT, DGT. First step is to bring down the balance. By balance brought down 1,50,000. G's balance is on the asset side, so to balance brought down 20,000. Then we have by workman compensation reserve only 6,000 rupees, so it will be divided equally 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. Then we have profit on realization, so by realization account 43,667, 43,667. The profit of realization of T will be 43,666. Please change it in the realization account as well. It is 43,666. Next we have two realization account, stock taken over by T 15,000. Next we need to tally our partners capital account. Which side is more? Our credit side total is more, 1,45,667, 45,667, 1,95,666. Same total we write on the debit side. Then we have two bank account in bracket final payment 1,45,667, 25,667, 1,80,666. Last we need to prepare the bank account. First step, by balance brought down. First thing is to balance brought down 26,000. Whatever is in the realization account will be written in the bank account. On the credit side we have by realization account in bracket liabilities paid 66,000. Again we have by realization account workman compensation paid 20,000. Then we have G's loan account 8,000. Then on debit side we have realization account, sale of assets in bracket 3,20,000. Then we have again realization account in bracket unrecorded asset 1 lakh. And then by D's capital account, G's capital account and T's capital account. How much is it? 1,45,667, 25,667, 1,80,666. So what is the total? 4,46,000, 4,46,000. So after this write down the note. Entry for workman compensation reserve. So first entry is workman compensation reserve account debited to realization account, to D's capital account, to G's capital account and to T's capital account. 26,000, 20,000, 2,000, 2,000 and 2,000. Second entry is entry for payment of compensation. We have realization account debited to bank account 20,000 debit, 20,000 credit. Clear? And this the only new type of adjustment was the workman compensation reserve. Take down the next illustration, that is illustration 10. ABC are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2:2:1. They agree to dissolve the firm. The balance sheet is as follows. Assets realized are as follows. A agreed to take over furniture and also agrees to make payment for bills payable. B agrees to discharge his wife's loan. There was an unrecorded asset of 10,000 which was taken over by C for 7,000. A bills receivable of 5,000 from a customer Mohan and the bill was discounted from the bank. Mohan became insolvent, has been received. Creditors were paid a discount of 1,500. So first we need to prepare the realization account. Particulars, amount, particulars and amount. We have debit side and credit side. The first step in realization account is to transfer all the assets, that is debtors, stock, furniture, computer, fixed assets, prepaid expenses. So it is to debtors account 40,000, to stock account 50,000, to furniture account 2,000, to computer account 8,000, to fixed assets 41,000, to prepaid expenses 1,000. Next step is to transfer all the liabilities, that is bank overdraft, creditors, bills payable and B's wife loan. So by creditors 30,000, by bills payable 6,000, by B's wife loan 10,000 and by bank overdraft 4,000. The next step is to realize all the assets. So by bank account, assets realized as follows. We have stock, fixed assets and full amount was received from debtors. So under bank we have debtors, that is 40,000. Then we have stock 32,000, fixed assets 45,000, that is 1,17,000. Then we have liabilities realized. So on the debit side, to bank account in bracket, liabilities paid off. We have creditors. So creditors will be 30,000 minus 1,500, that is 28,500, and bank overdraft is 4,000. So the total is 32,500. Next, A agreed to take over furniture. So asset taken over, what is the entry? By A's capital account in bracket furniture taken over 1,600. He agreed to pay the bills payable as well. So to again A's capital account in bracket bills payable 6,000. Next, B agreed to discharge his wife's loan. So B's capital account in bracket B's wife loan. How much is it? 10,000. There was an unrecorded asset of 10,000 which was taken over by C. So by C's capital account, unrecorded asset taken over 7,000. Next we have a bills receivable for 5,000 was received from a customer Mohan and the bill was discounted from the bank. So to bank account, payment for bill discounted, how much is it? 5,000. Mohan became insolvent and 60 paisa per rupee has been received from his estate. So out of 5,000, 0.6 has been received. How much is it? 3,000. So it will be by bank account. We have received money from him in bracket recovery from bill dishonored. How much is it? 3,000. In bracket you can write 5,000 into 0.6. Clear? Now we need to total the realization account. Our debit side total is more 1,95,500, 1,95,500 by partners capital account loss transferred. What is the balance? 16,900. We have A, B, C in the ratio 2:2:1. So 16,900 into 2 by 5, 6,760, 6,760 and 3,380. Clear? Do we have any loan of a partner? There is no loan of a partner, so loan account will not be prepared. Next, we need to prepare partners capital account. We have three partners A, B, C, A, B and C. So first step is to bring down the balance. By balance brought down, A and B is on the liability side and C is on asset side. So two balance brought down 8,000. Next, whatever is there in the realization as the capital account, we need to transfer it to the capital accounts. That is furniture taken over, unrecorded asset, bills payable, B's wife loan, all need to be transferred in the realization account. So by realization in bracket bills payable 6,000 A, then we have again by realization wife's loan 10,000 of B. Then we have in the asset side profit and loss account balance that needs to be transferred among the partners in the old ratio. So 16,000, 16,000, 8,000. Then we have realization in bracket furniture A 1,600. Again we have two realization asset taken over 7,000 for C. Next we have two realization, that is loss of realization 6,760, 6,760, 3,380. Next, what is the total? 76,000 A of credit side is more, 80,000 of B is more. So it will be to bank account final payment 51,640, 57,240. And C's debit side balance is more, that is 26,380, 26,380. So we write by bank account in bracket cash brought in. C brings additional capital of 26,380. So when the debit side total is more than the credit side, it is cash brought in, and when the credit side total is more than the debit side, it is final payment. Last we prepare bank account. We have particulars, amount, particulars and amount, debit side, credit side. So there is no balance of bank account. So on debit side we have realization account 1,17,000. Again to realization account recovery from bills receivable dishonored, please write it in the bracket. Then on the credit side by realization in bracket payment for bill discounted 5,000. Then we have by realization account in bracket liabilities paid off 32,500. Then we have by A's capital account 51,640, by B's capital account 57,240, and on the debit side we have to C's capital account 26,380. So what is the total of our bank account? It is 1,46,380, 1,46,380. After the problem, write down a note. Bank overdraft is a short-term borrowing. Full stop. It is first transferred to the credit of realization account and then paid off, just like other liabilities. So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.